Hello everyone, let's continue our review. So this is type 2 major, borrowing modally. For example, C major, borrowing from say C Dorian, C Phrygian, so on and so forth. Okay, let's take a look at a few cases. These are the common cases that we talked about. So again, is a review. We can borrow from C Dorian. So mostly we can replace the 5-7 by a 5 minor 7. So G7 would become a G minus 7. All right, and a common chord progression would be something like, for example, originally G7 to C, you can go G minus 7 to C. All right, and number 2, we can borrow the flat 2 major 7 from C Phrygian. So for example, if we have a 2-5-1 chord progression, say D minus 7, G7 going to C major 7, we can do it like this: D minus 7, G7, and also and the D flat major 7th. That's sort of like a deceptive cadence. It deceived the listener's ear. And you can either go back to C major 7 or just stay here, or just stay put. Okay, so this can be replaced by D flat major 7. So these chords, the 1 major 7, 2 minor 7, 4 major 7, or even 4 minor 7, which is already a modal interchange chord, can be replaced by D flat major 7. And one case I've seen a lot is actually the first chord, the 1 major 7, being replaced by D flat major 7 to create again this deceptive cadence effect. Number 3, 1 major 7. So it can be replaced by 1 major 7 sharp 11. So this is actually Lydian. All right, so C major, borrowing from C Lydian. So usually the chord here, so again, say D minus 7, G7, C major 7. It should ideally be the last chord, and then you take a moment, you can play C major 7 sharp 11 chord. Remember, you can realize that by playing a D on C, you know, a slash chord, D major triad over C. Number 4, 1 minor 7 replaced by 1 minor 6. So whenever you see a minor 6 chord, that's actually a Dorian sound. Okay, so minor. And they're very closely related to each other. I'm talking about the Dorian sound and also minor. So Dorian is just a variation on the minor sound with the major 6 instead of flat 6. So again, if I play a D minor 7 flat 5, G dominant 7 to C minor 7, you take a moment. You can end the song on a C minor 6 chord. That's fine too. All right. So usually we don't. We have to use this chord very carefully. Usually it's used at the end. We are to use the modal interchange chord here. In this case, a Dorian. So usually at the end, okay, when you are trying to alter the sound a little bit. But technically the song already ended there. Okay. So we usually add the chord at the end of the chord progression, okay, to produce a little bit of a variation to the ending. All right, that's it. That's the review of modes. Congratulations.